Are you ready to witness a smartphone that could completely change your expectations from a flagship device? Because today, we are diving into the highly anticipated OnePlus 15 Pro, a phone that's been surrounded by mystery, leaks, and insane hype. And let me tell you, some of the features will blow your mind. Stick with me till the end, because there's a hidden surprise that only those who watch the full video will know, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. So, let's get started. What makes the OnePlus 15 Pro a true game-changer in the smartphone world? The first thing that catches attention is the brand new design. OnePlus has gone for a sleek, futuristic look with ultra-thin bezels and a curved-edge AMOLED display that delivers an immersive 6.9-inch screen experience with 2K resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate, making everything from gaming to scrolling buttery smooth. The brightness has been boosted to 3000 nits, ensuring perfect outdoor visibility even under direct sunlight, while HDR10+ support makes videos pop with lifelike detail. Now, what's under the hood is even more exciting. The OnePlus 15 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset, coupled with up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB of storage, meaning performance here is on another level. Multitasking, high-end gaming, or editing videos, it handles it all with zero lag, and the AI engine has been upgraded to make your experience smarter and faster. Speaking of AI, OnePlus is introducing advanced AI features that adapt to your daily routine, optimize battery usage, and even enhance photography by automatically adjusting settings to capture the perfect shot. And yes, photography lovers, this is where the OnePlus 15 Pro steals the spotlight. The triple camera system co-engineered with Hasselblad includes a 200MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 64MP periscope telephoto with 10x optical zoom, promising DSLR-like quality straight from your pocket. Night photography has been taken to the next level with AI-driven night vision that delivers crisp, noise-free images, even in extreme low light. And for selfies, a 32MP under-display front camera ensures a true full-screen experience without interruptions. But what good is power without endurance? The OnePlus 15 Pro packs a massive 6000 mAh battery with 150W SuperVOOC fast charging and 80W wireless charging, meaning you can get from 0 to 100% in just 20 minutes. Imagine plugging in your phone while grabbing a quick snack and walking out with a fully charged device. It's insane. Plus, AI-powered battery health management ensures longevity, so you won't have to worry about battery degradation for years. Now, here comes the suspense. OnePlus is rumored to launch this beast in early March 2026, and here's the twist. Some leaks suggest there might be a limited AI special edition that introduces exclusive features not seen on any other phone. Could this be real, or just a marketing trick? That's something we'll have to wait and find out, but it definitely keeps us on the edge of our seats. And here's the fun part. If you've stayed with me till now, you deserve the surprise I promised. Rumors say the OnePlus 15 Pro might come with a free pair of OnePlus Buds Ultra for early buyers, making the deal even sweeter. Imagine getting a flagship phone and premium earbuds as a combo. That's something you won't want to miss. The OnePlus 15 Pro is shaping up to be more than just a smartphone. It's becoming a lifestyle upgrade. So, what do you think? Will OnePlus finally dethrone the likes of Samsung and Apple with this monster device? Or will it still be the underdog? Let me know your thoughts below, because I can't wait to read your opinions. And before you go, here's something important. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know.